Okay, my dear students, welcome to our optional math class of class 10. Class 10. The topic today we are talking is arithmetic mean, AEM. My dear students, if you have gone through the sequence series one after another, now in the arithmetic series you will going to be get more series because it is the same type of topic but having some dissimilarities. First of all, let's talk about what is mean. The average value is called mean in our mathematics, compulsory mathematics. But in the sequence series, the mean has quite different meanings. I will show you the example. A series starts by 5 with the interval of 3. Now this is the series, arithmetic series, having only 3 terms. So the 5 is first term, 11 is last term. Now the single term in between first and last. The terms in the arithmetic series except first and last term is called arithmetic mean. So here arithmetic mean is 8. Remember, in an arithmetic series, the term except first and last is called arithmetic mean. It is a term of 3 terms, so the number of mean is 1. So if you have started thinking now, you have to think, oh, there will be the means having multiple terms. For example, I will show you the next example here. 5, 3, 8, 3, 11, 3, 14. Okay, this is the arithmetic term having 4 terms where 5 is first term, 14 is last term. There are 2 terms inside first and last. Now this is called arithmetic means of given terms are 8 and 11. So there is 2 means this time. So my dear students, what I am saying you is number of means are those terms except first and last term. There can be 2, sometimes there can be 3 means, there can be 4 means, there can be 100 means, there can be thousands means. There is not so fixed up how many means will be there. It depends upon series. It depends upon series, my dear. Some series have 10 terms. 10 terms. Now when you take out first and last, there are 8 arithmetic means. Try to understand. Try to understand, okay? Now 5, 8, 11, 14. The same thing I am writing here. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term or last term. But don't forget, this is first mean. T2 is always first mean. M1 first mean. T3 is always second mean. M2. This is confusing. Many students get confused now. From now, this is the starting now. Because the relation between mean and terms, you have to now start thinking. This will get you confused now. In our previous classes, we should not forget what we have written. T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D. In the same way, T100 is equal to A plus 99D. If you forget this arithmetic means is now 0 for it. You cannot forget T1A, T2, A plus D, T3, A plus 2D, because this is what is the basic foundation of sequence and series and the arithmetic mean, because I have taught you about this on my previous 3 or 4 classes. Now what I am saying here is mean. First mean is second term, A plus D. First mean is second term. Second mean is third term, a plus 2d. In the sequence series, when you talk about terms, the 1, 2, 3, in the same way the coefficient of d also 1, 2, 3, but when there was 2, 1, 3, 2. In the same way we wrote Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, because there will be always one less in the coefficient of d, but not in the means now. Now not in the means. First means second term, so a plus d. Here 1, the coefficient 1. Here 2, coefficient 2. Remember. Now if you write say third mean, then you can find out a plus 3d. The third mean by this one. This is what is confusing. Remember. In the same way, when you are finding the last mean of a series, then it is a plus nd. My dear students, if n is the number of mean, then to find the formula of last mean, mn, a plus nd is the formula of mean. My dear students, you have to get it. Understood? Okay. First mean m1, which is equal to second term. In the m3, third mean, which is equal to fourth term. So a plus 3d. In this way, it becomes again one sequence. When there is m1, there is 1d, m2, there is 2d, m3, there is 3d. In the same way, the general mean, last mean mn, it is a plus nd. Don't forget it. Remember. Okay. One more thing for you to understand here. How to find out common difference. Remember, suppose as arithmetic series. Suppose there is arithmetic series. There is arithmetic series. There is arithmetic series starting from first term. Then there are first mean, second mean, third mean, last mean, and last term. Because when I spoke about the means, I have said you means are those numbers which comes in between first and last term of arithmetic series. They are called arithmetic means. First term and last term को बीच में पढ़ने arithmetic means का number of लामी arithmetic mean series का number of लामी arithmetic means भन्छौं. त्यसैले हामी जहिले पनि के बुझ्नु पर्छ भने terms and means is not same thing. एउटै कुरो होइन नि terms र means भनेको. मीनहरुको संख्या जति हुन्छ टर्म्स को संख्या त्यो भन्दा जहिले पनि 2 बढी हुन्छ. रिमेम्बर, यदि कुनै पनि सिरिजमा 15 वटा मीन छ भने त्यो सिरिजको जम्मा टर्म्स को सम चाहिँ 17 हुन्छ. हेर यहाँ 1 2 3 नम्बर अफ मीन्स. नम्बर अफ मीन्स यहाँ हो यहाँ. नाउ टोटल नम्बर अफ टर्म्स भने नम्बर अफ टर्म्स भने n plus 2 भन्नुपर्छ अब. Remember, if n is the number of mean this time, the total number of terms in the series will be n plus 2, because the number of means and first and last terms, now it gives the total number of terms. n plus 2. Don't forget, my dear. So when you have the order from here, if you count from here 1, then it will be n plus 2, tn plus 2. This is tn plus 1. This is t1. This is t2. Remember, don't forget it. This is the terms order, my dear student. So last term will be n plus 2 this time. Okay. So if you now look closely, B is tn plus 2 this time. Okay, now what I am writing, please concentrate. What I am writing now? When there was tn a plus n minus 1 d, this was what we were writing. n minus 1.